Alright, this is a full unboxing. I'm going to cover everything. I hate unboxings where they just cover some of the things, not everything. Got a bag batteries. Okay, so these are the new batteries. They have a USB-C on them, but otherwise it's standard 4 amp hour. And they're black instead of blue. You got 2 of these, 2 of the batteries. Battery for the manual, manual for the battery, manual for the chainsaw. You have this charger adapter. Well, here's the, they give you a charging brick, which is strange. You get a charging brick and a USB-C cable. So you charge your batteries with this brick, but I'm actually going to use a brick to charge my phones, and I just have a standard old Kobalt battery charger that I'll just use on these new Kobalt batteries. But they have this adapter for the old batteries that don't have the USB-C, so you can charge it with this. And it has the USB-C cable. Here's the new chainsaw. Get up close on this. Got a battery slot on one side, battery slot on the other side. Safety, trigger lock, holder for your wrench, actual metal teeth on there, and then it's got this is where you put the oil. Sticky. I don't want to break that. I guess I better read the manual if I try to break that. Kick back. Lock. Alright, we'll go ahead and open this so you guys can see what's on the inside of this. Oh, I guess these are actually locked into the plate, which is interesting. That's a neat design. So I guess you can't lose, because I'm always losing these nuts. They don't come out, which is nice. And it's all metal, which is really nice. You don't see that on a lot of these cheaper saws. So I really like this design. It's great. It's even got the guard on the bottom for like if your chain droops too far down. Prevents you from like slicing your hand off if you're holding on the bottom. You should never hold the saw on the bottom, but in case you do. Here's the bar. 14-inch. That's what it looks like. And it comes with the plastic shield. That's it. Alright. I forgot it came with a chain. So, I think the website didn't actually say what chain it came with. But here's the chain. It's 3/8 by 0.43. Oh, and how many links it is? It's 52 links, I believe. Cool. Alright, regarding the oil fill plug, it's a friction fit. And from the factory, it was extremely tight. I feel like if I had tried to use this plastic, I would have broken it trying to open it. I ended up using a flathead. There's a spot in here for a flathead to fit. And that was the only thing that opened it. I even tried to use the flathead that it came with, but it wasn't big enough to fit in this hole. And it was actually starting to bend the plastic. So I got a bigger flathead to open it. Now it opens easily, but from the factory it was very tight. Extremely tight. Here's the new tag. This is the charging brick. It's 140 watts. And I'll show you the front of it. Let's see. Oh yeah, and they come with two USB-C cables, so you can charge both batteries at the same time. So the body of, without anything on it, just weighs 6 pounds, 14 ounces. 15 ounces. So basically 7 pounds. Fully loaded with 2 batteries, we got 12.8 ounces. 12 pounds, 8 ounces. In comparison, my steel weighs 17 pounds, 6 ounces with a 20-inch bar. So we're not too far off from a full-size chainsaw. That's a pretty hefty girl. It's not crazy heavy though.